Welcome to 602 Sheppard Avenue, an immaculately maintained 3-bedroom raised brick bungalow with 3 washrooms, nestled on a premium-sized lot within the desirable Woodlands neighbourhood of West Pickering. Featuring a double-car garage and a long driveway with abundant exterior parking, a large private backyard that is filled with greenery, and lush shrubs and perennials lining both the driveway and a stone walkway to the front entrance, wood exterior finishes are seen with the deck above the garage doors, the front windows, and with the glass-paneled entry door, its sidelight, and its oversized transom, bringing a cottage-like aura and great curb appeal to the home. This cottage-like warmth can also be felt throughout the home's interior, which has natural light in abundance and offers exceptional entertaining space both indoors and out. The tiled foyer has split hardwood staircases to both the upper and lower levels, both finished with carpet runners and wrought iron pickets. The upper stairs leading to a main level hallway finished with hardwood flooring, the hardwood continued into the living and dining rooms. Light streaming through floor-to-ceiling south-facing windows brings a fresh, airy feel to the living room. Its vaulted wood-paneled ceiling has 2 fans and a timeless metal chandelier. The wood panels carried over to the foyer's cathedral ceiling. And this light-washed entertaining space also features the added warmth of a wood-burning fireplace with a tiled hearth and a floor-to-ceiling stone mantel. A skylight, track lighting, and a south-facing sliding door walkout also bring a fresh, airy aura to the dining room, where entertaining easily spills out onto the wood deck above the garage. The deck extends from the living room windows and across the front of the home and has a covered outdoor eating area off the dining room, then wraps around the west side of the home to another covered space that can accommodate a barbecue for year-round grilling. The stunning and incredibly well-lit custom kitchen is a showpiece of modern elegance. Finished with upgraded tiled flooring and brightened artificially and naturally with both pot lights and a skylight, this functional workspace showcases light-colored cabinetry with under-cabinet lighting, molded uppers, and tons of storage that includes a pantry, has a stainless steel double undermount sink, oven with gas cooktop, and a side-by-side fridge-freezer, as well as stone counters and tiled backsplashes with glass and stone mosaic accent borders. A glass-paneled door off the kitchen opens to a 3-season sunroom that features a tiered floor, clear ceiling panels for additional natural light, sliding doors opening to the backyard, as well as a wood screen door that opens to the covered barbecuing area at the northwest end of the wraparound deck. This room a wonderful compromise when outdoor entertaining is desired, but the weather is less than ideal. Hardwood flooring and crown moldings are showcased in the hallway to the bedrooms and in the bedrooms themselves. The hallway also brightened with pot lighting, while upgraded light fixtures brighten the bedrooms. The west-facing 2nd bedroom and the east-facing 3rd bedroom both feature double closets and large windows for abundant natural light. These bedrooms sharing the common-use 4-piece washroom, which features upgraded tiled flooring, a tiled bath area with sliding glass shower doors, crown moldings, as well as a vanity with quartz counter and an upgraded light fixture. Filled with diffused, natural light, the lovely north-facing master bedroom has a large window through which to enjoy the backyard greenery, can accommodate a sitting area, and has a walk-in closet. Its ensuite washroom showcases upgraded tiled flooring, crown moldings, as well as a vanity with a stone counter and an upgraded light, and was also recently updated with the addition of a tiled shower area with sliding glass doors. The lower level landing has a glass paneled door opening into an incredibly spacious recreation area that is carpeted and which features pot lighting, 3 oversized basement windows, and for added coziness, a gas fireplace surrounded with stone cladding and finished with a wood mantel shelf. Behind another glass paneled door is the mudroom. Finished with upgraded floor tiles, the mudroom provides access to the garage, and also off this space is a 3-piece washroom featuring upgraded tiled finishes, a heated floor, a furniture-style vanity with a stone counter, pot lighting, and a shower area with sliding glass doors and a rainfall shower. As well as a combined laundry and furnace room with ceramic flooring, washer, dryer, and cabinetry storage. The recreation area also has the added convenience of a wet bar featuring a wood counter, its 2 surrounding walls finished with wood paneling, as well as a stainless steel sink. And with plenty of room for games and conversation areas, the rec room is a great space for entertaining family and friends. Fenced, private, and filled with lush greenery, the backyard has an existing basin for a water feature that is surrounded by wildflowers, milkweed, and other perennials, is shaded by mature evergreens and deciduous trees, and has a storage shed at the rear. Relaxing beneath the tree canopy evokes an inner feeling of peace and tranquility, while this nature-inspired setting also has a rustic, cottage-like aura beautifully suited for outdoor entertaining. Steps from Dunbarton High School and minutes from Amberley Park, the Amberley and Steeple Hill shopping centres, Altona Forest Public School, St. Elizabeth Seton and St. Monica Catholic Elementary Schools, as well as St. Mary Catholic Secondary School. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401. As well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.